Today, Muddy Boots is on location and we are surrounded by the most beautiful flowers you will ever see.
We are at Victorian State Dahlia Show and we are going to be talking to growers and having a look at some wonderful displays inside. So
let's go and see what makes these flowers so special.
Just magnificent colours.
I think that's Cafe au lait. When I first grew dahlias, this Cafe au lait was the one that was really sought after, and I think it still is. This one, how magnificent it is, it's huge. The colour is incredible. What is this called, do you know?
AC Jerry.
Oh, that's what it's called,
Yeah.
AC Jerry.
Yeah.
We are here with the lovely Jeanette, who is the treasurer of the Dahlia Society. What is it about this show that is so special, and how long has the show been running for?
Well, this show is so special because this year we're hosting the Australian Championship. Every 5 years we get to host the Australian Championship.
Fabulous.
So each state gets a turn every year. So people come from interstate, they drive the Dahlias across because they can't fly them. They drive them and they keep them here for overnight and then they put them up, and it's a lot of work.
What does it take to grow a show dahlia?
Well, it takes lots of experience. It takes fantastic soil. It takes really good fertiliser, a lot of trial and error, and lots of asking more experienced people questions.
Okay.
And you've got a ripper compost here, I believe, Jeanette.
Yes, Clyde Compost. It's fantastic. The Dahlia Show love Vince at Clyde Compost.
Everyone loves Vince.
We have him in talking to us once a year, and we're all, buying the product. It's produced some really good results.
That is fantastic.
Yeah.
Is it hard for a beginner to grow a dahlia?
No, they're like weeds. You just throw them in and they grow.
Okay. Not sure this is me so much, but look at this beautiful one. That is absolutely gorgeous. Tamari Gold. Oh, that's got first prize. Tasana is a very passionate dahlia grower.
Back in 2020, November, I bought my first Cafe au lait from Diggers. It just kind of did not much. I forgot about it. And then the next year it came back and I thought, oh, hello, who are you? 6 years later, I now have about 100 Cafe au laits at home. I've given away about 100 Cafe au laits.
It's time to say it.
From
one tuber.
From one tuber. Growing your own dahlias with seed is the best thing ever.
Is Cafe au lait your favourite, or have you moved on?
I've got 4 children, so I'm allowed to have favourites.
Oh, yes.
And you're a Muddy Boots fan.
I'm a Muddy Boots fan.
How pretty is that?
Just spectacular, isn't it? What a great display.
There's Cafe au lait. I finally found it. See how beautiful that is, the colour? It's so soft. Love it. Look at this. Been a bit creative with that one. A little dahlia in there. So we've seen what the flowers look like, but we have actually seen them as plants. So let's have a look here.
So are we doing a video?
Did you have any input on some of the winners here?
We were absolutely wrapped. We've been working heavy with the Dahlia Society the last probably year or two.
Yep.
And there's growers who were in the open class, in the top 5. 2 of the growers use our compost.
Fantastic.
The novice 1, 2, I think there's a novice category. They've been very good to us. We've found that the compost works really well as a slow release for the flowers. And they have better shelf life, better vibrant, better colour. We're very happy. Can we just tell everyone what we're working on?
Yeah, let's all right, here we go. Vince, announce it.
So we've been working that we're going to make a Muddy Boots hottie mix. So we've been working on it. We're going to work on the bag. And because they've been such a great support to us, we're going to be developing that. Hopefully the next few months it'll be finished. So
We are very...
we don't know who's stocking it. We don't know all that, but it's something that we're passionate about and we want to do. So yeah, we look forward to it.
Wait.
That's exciting.
Thank you, Vince.
Fantastic, Vince.
Thanks a lot.
Brilliant, mate.
Thank you.
Well done.
We've had a fantastic time surrounded by these beautiful flowers and the passionate people around them. I think we'll do this again next year, don't you?
Oh, we're going to come back this year. This was just absolutely spectacular.
Have fun.
Beautiful.
Our first location podcast. We hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye.